you have ever feel curious about Christianism, you have any doubts about it, in this video I'm gonna explain you from my experience what I have learned and why I decided to get baptized and why I decided to adopt more of the Christian lifestyle. So the reason why I got into Christianism, I got started because I was making business with a pastor and he just invited me to a celebration. So I went there and immediately I felt like a good vibe. Like everyone was vibing happy, was vibing peaceful, and it makes me feel good. So I continue going. The singer was amazing too, so it was one of the main reasons why I said she was so good singing. I'm telling you, she got such a beautiful voice, and I just wanted to go there to listen to those songs. And they were the songs were quite high vibe, and for me entering that place was like automatically raising my vibe, feeling better. It even became kind of addictive because you go there, you pray, you are grateful, and the vibe is so high. So I felt like it was something good to do with my time. Of course, when I was there, I was learning more about Jesus, I was learning about God, the Bible, all that we were seeing, all that, and it started like making sense for me. I have to say that I haven't been a bad person before, like I wasn't quite on the devil's side. It's just I was not a clear believer. I detected immediately the three main sins that were bothering me were lust in the first place, rage or angriness, and jealousy, and pride. Let's add a fourth one. Pride was quite a big one for me. So I wanted to change those four, and I still want to change them. I can tell you that my situation has improved a lot. Those four sins were not removed, but quite reduced. Right now, I may commit them, but it's not so often as it was before. With this motivation of wanting to change these four sins that were bothering me and making me less happy, I started in Christianism. At the beginning of this month, I got baptized. I just relive my old self, I kill my old self, is dead now, and a new person. And if you are thinking if this path is for you or not, here's what I can tell you. You have to understand that if everyone did everything that says in the Bible, this world will be quite a better world. Keeping this in mind, if you are a person that wants to do the right stuff, that wants to be righteous, definitely this journey is for you. Why I tell you this? If you decide to go in this journey, you are going to improve your person and you are going to improve the world by first changing yourself. If you obey everything that God says, all that scriptures say, then you are going to really help this world, and in exchange you are going to get a sense of peacefulness that you are going to enjoy so much because you are doing the right things and that makes you feel so happy. What I have told you here is just my experience. I'm telling you this is the path I'm following, and if you have doubts about Christianism and you want to learn a little bit from my experience and you want to get some insight, you are going to find a Telegram group in the description below, and there you can text me your specific situation and I'll help you from what I know. Also leave a comment, leave a like if you like this video, of course, and I'll see you in the next one.